and welcome to our assembly today. Our assembly is all about hugs, how we can show we care. Because I know a lot of the children like you and a lot of the adults at school and at home have found it really difficult that we can't touch or hug the people that we care about. Has anyone in this bubble got any ideas about how we can show we care? You might have some good ideas for things you've been doing already. Hannah, have you got any ideas?
No.
Emily? Sienna?
No.
Oh, I think they've got a little bit shy. They were very keen to talk earlier, but they're not so keen now. So, when my arms can't reach people who are close to my heart, I always hug them with my prayers. So we've got a new emoji on Facebook that we can show a hug, a virtual hug when we can't share. And if I could make everything better with a hug, I'd hug you the whole day until it was all okay. But I can't, and I'm sorry. Now, before the assembly and at the end of the assembly, you'd have heard our music. And today it's Lean On Me by Bill Withers, and it's performed by our Playing for Change musicians from around the world. Now, the choice of music this week was inspired by our Year 6 pupils who've been supporting each other so well. We may not be able to physically touch each other and lean on each other, but we can still show our support and we can still be strong for other people. And actually, sometimes we all need someone to lean on, and all we have to do is ask. Now, I'll let you a little secret. This is also Mrs. Gallagher's favourite piece of music. And I know that she's someone, like a lot of the teachers, that I can rely on to lean on when I need support. So have a little listen to that music later. And again, we've got the link if you want to look at it separately as well. Now, as we said, one of the hardest things to do at the moment is that we can't hug or touch the people we care for. And we've got a lovely little story here, Why We Can't Hug, and there's a little video which shows how hedgehog and tortoise have got through the difficulty of not being able to hug. Obviously, you've got the link on the slides here, and we're just going to play that to you now. Just while we're waiting to go back to the next slide on the PowerPoint. So, how did hedgehog and tortoise show their love, show that they care when they couldn't hug? Tommy?
By video.
Videoing it, yeah, so they did little video messages to each other, and that's something you can do. Sienna?
They wrote letters.
They wrote letters, and again, that's an art. It's things that we used to do a lot, but we don't necessarily do now. But actually, a letter or a note can be a really lovely way of sharing that we care, and it's something that we can keep forever, isn't it? Any other ideas?
They did funny faces.
They did funny faces, so actually, even though you might not be able to see your friends in the playground really close by, you can still do funny faces, you can still do silly dances from a distance, and all of that is a way that will help us show that we care. Now, for our reflection time, I want you to think about who you would like to hug. It might be someone in school, it might be a grandparent or someone else who you can't get close to just yet. Think about how you can show them that you care in different ways. Blowing them a kiss, doing a silly dance, writing a letter, sending a video message. And also think about who you could lean on. When things are a bit difficult, when things are a bit tough, who can you turn to for advice and for support? We all need to reach out sometimes, but there's lots and lots of different ways that we can do it. Thank you for listening. We're going to be listening to our music now as we end the assembly. So just heads down, thinking about how you're going to reflect as well. So again, lean on me. Lots of musicians from around the world. Have a think who you can lean on.
Sometimes in the lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Oh, it won't be long. You're gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, no one can fill those other things that you won't let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need